Ask Doug, what does sudden and unexpected reoccurrence of a pre-existing condition mean? Ask Doug FAQs and Answers about travel insurance is a series of videos providing information on how to use your travel medical insurance best for you. What does sudden and unexpected reoccurrence of pre-existing condition mean, Doug? Jessica, this means a condition that has been stable, no treatments or change in medication, for 6 months or more that has an unexpected reoccurrence of symptoms. Treatment for this reoccurrence will have limited coverage on most travel insurance plans. A couple added thoughts, Jessica. When in doubt of your travel medical insurance coverage, please call the 24-hour phone number on your travel insurance card. Please also call or email us if there are any policy or claims questions. We at Good Neighbor Insurance Brokerage are always happy to answer them. Find out more information on your travel insurance options, gninsurance.com/travel.